Next one, Datadog, DDOG. So DDOG is again like the tech momentum stocks. So at the time, with the Nasdaq is going up, I think that it suits the team very well. So first of all, again, this is kind of a textbook structure. We can see that quite a few of the tests within phase B. So a few of the tests. So maybe this is kind of a increasing of the supply with phase C, second point of a fear, followed by sign of strength rally. So you can see that the sign of strength rally is quite strong, and it's just reacting to the earning. So positive reaction to the earning, gapping up action. Subsequently, despite with the increasing of both supply and demand, I don't really see a lot of the supply come out. So you can tell by this. So volume is kind of above the average volume of the previous section, but definitely it's not very high, isn't it? So I think this is a good news. And subsequently, look at the results. So there are quite a few of the reaction, and we form a low, a higher low, another higher low. So right now, I think it's probably going to attempt to break this resistance level at about, well, you can see this orange line, about 137.5. So a breakout trade could work in this case, could offer some reward to nice reward to risk ratio, while your entry will be maybe somewhere around here, as long as it's coming above, with your stop somewhere below the swing low or even slightly lower, depending how you want to manage it. Okay, so this is Datadog. Again, I want to stress that because of this huge courses build, big structure, certainly there's a lot of the upside ahead rather than just one swing up. Okay, but that really we need some time in order to give us a very good chunk of a swing, something like maybe something like this. So this is a quite a nice nice trend up. Okay, so